With Remove Occluded Parts and RapidPipeline, you can automatically strip away occluded geometry, giving you control over how it's processed. This microwave model includes a lot of internal technical parts, great for realism, but unnecessary for our use case, as we're showing it in a web viewer without wireframe rendering. Removing the interior geometry manually is possible, but tedious and time-consuming. That's where RapidPipeline steps in. Inside RapidPipeline for 3ds Max, you'll find several actions. For this case, we'll use Remove Occluded Parts. You can tweak settings like processing quality, which affects speed, or choose whether visibility is calculated per mesh or globally. In this case, we'll stick with the defaults and hit Run. The interior geometry has now been removed, making our model much lighter. By default, RapidPipeline respects transparent surfaces. So here, the pizza behind the glass is still intact. To remove that as well, toggle Ignore Transparency and process again. Now, even the pizza is removed. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for 3ds Max. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.